Have you ever wondered how and when plants decide to burst into bloom? It might seem like plants wake up one day and decide to cover themselves with colorful flowers. But there is actually a fascinating science behind how plants know when to flower. The process of flowering is part of a larger set of events in a plant's life called its life cycle. One key trigger for flowering is the change in the amount of daylight. Many plants measure the length of daylight and dark using an internal clock, like how we have calendars. When the days start getting longer or shorter, it signals to the plant that it's time to start flowering. This process is known as photoperiodism. Imagine a sunflower soaking up the sunshine all day long. It senses how long the sun is out, and when the day becomes long enough, the sunflower's internal clock sends signals to begin forming its beautiful yellow blooms. It's like having an alarm clock that wakes up a snoozing beauty to prepare for the grand party. But it's not just sunlight that plants use as cues. Some plants detect temperature changes. For example, tulips wait for the chilly winter to pass, and as soon as the temperatures start to warm up, they know it's safe to grow pretty petals. Inside the plant, special molecules called hormones are busy at work. These hormones tell the plant's cells all over its body that it's time to start growing flowers. Think of these hormones as a group of construction workers who get the signal to build a new house. They plan, prepare, and construct the perfect blooms. Each plant species has its own special tricks to know when it's showtime. Some plants listen to daylight, others respond to the temperature or even internal growth schedules. So, next time you're outside, take a look around and see which of nature's cues might be waking up the flowers around you. Discovering why plants flower can make a walk in a garden feel like you're unraveling the secrets of nature.